Peace, you guys. This is Nicole of Pureessence Beauty, and like I promised in my last video, I will show you a tutorial on how I achieve my Bantu knots. This time I'm going to be using the ingredients that I received in my Curlkit box, and it's the I Am Super Natural collection by Creme with Argan oil from Morocco. I'm loving the products. They were so soft and silky, made my hair feel amazing. So stay tuned for my Bantu knot tutorial. I started off with Moisture and Shine shampoo. It hydrates and detangles, and is also sulfate free for radiant shine, nourishment, and protection. This sulfate free formula nourishes and adds brilliant shine while gently cleansing and detangling, and it felt amazing. Next, I use Incense conditioning treatment. It strengthens, imparts moisture, and prevents hair breakage for radiant shine and nourishment and protection. It felt really great. I then use Strengthen Shine leave-in conditioner, a unique two-phase formula that combines argan oil and protein complex that improves hair strength, protects against damage, and adds shines and moisture. Last but not least, I use the Butterlicious Curls Hydrating Buttercream. It smells amazing and it feels so creamy and silky in my hands and in my hair. It nurtures your natural hair with this dynamic buttercream trio, lightweight moisturizing butter blend of argan, shea, and cocoa butters. Works to soften, hydrates, and improve manageability for all hair and curl types. And this can be used, like it says, all curl types. It can be used for all curl types. My hair was really soft, and I'm just loving how this feels in my hair. This is a great product, the Butterlicious Curls Hydrating Buttercream. So I'm just going to continue with my Two Strand Twist Bantu knot tutorial using my Cream of Nature I Am Supernatural collection that I received in my Curlkit box, which I'm loving so far. It's really soft and silky and smooth, and it has my hair really soft. And even with me having the color in my hair is really soft. So listen to Island Skies music while I finish my Two Strand Twist tutorial. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I have a contest coming up and you will love this contest. So you must be a subscriber to enter the contest. Oh, and I must not forget the 7-in-1 spray. This spray smells so good. I just got carried away with spraying it. So I decided to put my hair in Bantu Knots. I 2-strand twisted and then I put it in Bantu Knots. So I'm going to leave this in until tomorrow. All of the products that I used was in my Curlkit box. As you can see, I spaced them out because I want them to be really fluffy and bushy. I didn't stretch my hair. I just shampooed it, 2-strand twisted, and did the Bantu Knots. So I know the curls are going to be really tight, but I want to go for tight because I'm going to pin it up. You'll see. Don't forget the thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. If you have any questions about Curlkit or Creme of Nature's new product line, I mean, my hands, I didn't even use any oil. And it's not too oily. Not to say that it's too oily, but my hands is smooth and silky. My hair, again, smells good, silky, amazing. Do the Natural Thing. And it's by foreveraudacious.com. She also has an Etsy shop. I had to cut mine up because it's summertime. And I cut mine up like that because I just like cutting up shirts in the summertime. So this is from Forever Audacious and it's Do the Natural Thing. Like Spike Lee, do the right thing, but do the natural thing. I think this is so cool. So again, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up. Click that subscribe button.